CR101radio.com, podcasts, and more.
42. Lawlessness in the nation. I read yesterday a horrifying account of legal injustices. It was written by the top attorney of the nation's largest public interest law firm. Here are some of the cases he cited. The conviction of a Maryland man was overturned, although the man confessed to throwing a baby down an 11-story garbage chute. The reason? The police failed to bring him before a court within 24 hours of his arrest. They were 12 minutes late, so the man went free. In New York, a state judge flipped a coin to determine the sentence of a convicted criminal. The same judge had invited a female murderer to spend the night with him. In Boston, 5 young men gang-raped a former beauty queen and severely injured her. A Supreme Court judge in Massachusetts let them go free on probation and a $500 fine to be paid at $5 a week. More stories and worse ones were cited. There's no point in piling up horror stories. The point is simply this. In Solomon's words, quote, "Where there is no vision, the people perish, but he that keepeth the law, happy is he." Proverbs 29:18. Vision here means a faithful and prophetic ministry. Perish can also be translated run wild or become lawless. In other words, Solomon says that the life of a nation depends on a faithful ministry of God's word. Those who keep God's law word, the scriptures, are happy or blessed. The lawlessness in our country is a consequence of unbelief in the pulpit and the pew. We have godless judges whose conduct on the bench is often as evil as the offences of the men before them. We should not be surprised at the results.